My dear children, welcome to the Business Studies class. Today in this fourth module, we are going to study the important benefits of international business. This international business has so many benefits. First one is benefits to nations and second one to benefits to firms. Now we are going to study the benefits to nations. The important points included in benefits to nations are first one, optimum utilization of resources, and second one, employment, then price stabilization, higher standard of living, economics of sale, economic growth, upgrading of technology, and greater competition. These are the important points included in the benefits to nations. Now we are going to study these topics in detail. As we know, the available resources of the company are man, material, labor, etc. The international business facilitates the international division of labor or specialization. The different countries are gifted by nature with different resources. Through international business, every country can specialize in the production of those products within it can manufacture. The another important point including the benefits of the business of an international business is economics of scale. International business facilitates large-scale production because a country can export its surplus output. Therefore, a country can obtain the benefits of large-scale operation. The economies of scale helps to reduce the cost of the production. Then another point is higher standard of living. A country rarely has the capacity to produce everything required by its citizens. Through the international business, it can procure the products which it cannot be manufactured and met the shortage of essential commodities for domestic consumption. For example, India imports petroleum, life-saving drugs, computer chips, etc. Thus, international business is helpful in improving the standard of living in the country. The next point is employment. The international business generates employment both directly and indirectly. Export-oriented industries provide so many job opportunities to millions. Several types of intermediaries, example forwarding agent, clearing agents, etc. are required in international business. Another point is economic growth. International business is means for the economic growth of the developing countries. Such countries can import technical know-how, machinery and equipment etc. from the developed nations to accelerate the process of economic growth. A country can export its surplus output. Then another point is price stabilization. International business helps to stabilize the prices of commodities in the country. A country can check undue rise in the price of the commodity by importing it. Similarly, the excess output can be exported to avoid sharp falling the prices. International brotherhood is the another important benefits to the nations. International business enables a country to interact regularly with the other countries. The country comes closer to other countries and understands the culture, attitudes, skills of the people in those countries. Such understanding helps in reducing conflicts among countries and promote healthy relationship among them. Upgradation of technology is the another benefit to the nations. In order to complete the foreign markets, the firms have to reduce cost and improve the quality of products. This invariably requires modernization of the plant and machinery. Security from famine is the another important benefits of international business. Whenever a country is faced with a famine due to flood, earthquake, etc., it can import food grains and other essential commodities to avoid starvation of its citizens. And the last important point is greater competition. International business enhances competition in the domestic market. In order to compete with foreign goods, domestic firms try to improve the quality of their products. They introduce new technology, better management tools, and innovative marketing techniques. These are the important benefits of international business.